Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your GeoSIM is active and has data. Once done, turn on mobile data so the phone can share internet. Next, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are off to avoid conflicts. Then open the menu and go to Settings. You're looking for connectivity or network options. This gets you straight to tethering features. Do this now to reach the sharing controls quickly, because preparation prevents the most common connection failures later. You'll now enable the actual hotspot feature. Tap Tethering or Portable Hotspot and choose the method you need. If you pick Wi-Fi hotspot, set a clear SSID and a strong password. Use WPA2 when possible, so other devices can connect securely. Once you toggle hotspot on, make sure the status or notification icon shows it's active. That confirms the phone is broadcasting. If using USB tethering, connect the phone to a laptop with a cable. Finally, on the device you want online, scan for the SSID you set and enter the password. You should connect and get internet. If it doesn't, first toggle mobile data off and on the Geo phone, then restart the hotspot. This often fixes routing glitches. If problems continue, verify APN settings and confirm your SIM's data balance. Sometimes the carrier blocks tethering. As a last step, reboot both devices to clear any lingering network state and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.